to the technological and social advancements, Rebecca's Fashion School has created a program to prepare each individual for the best performance within the society, as well as to meet the requirements that the present industrial world demands.
Welcome. My name is Martha Hernandez, and I would like to invite you to Rebecca's Fashion School to see the programs that we teach here. We have sewing, cutting, pattern making, designing, upholstering, interior decorating, flower arrangements, and professional modeling. We would like to see you soon. Thank you.
High fashion is one of our most successful programs where the student will learn to operate the single needle industrial sewing machine. The student will also learn about the tools and techniques where they will apply the knowledge of these techniques, focused in the field of high fashion. Confection is another area where the student will learn to do ruffles, slip-ons, hems, cushions, and the confection of dresses for all occasions. In the next level of the course, the student will learn about fashion design, starting with the study of human figure and anatomical features, continuing with the technical skills, including color theory, tones, shades, and color schemes. The next stage would be flower arrangements as a complement to high fashion, realizing works as that of bridal bouquets, touch-ups, linen of hats, shoes, and souvenir baskets. As a final step, the student will go into an area of pattern making, where they will learn about measuring and pattern elaboration for perfect fit, pattern cutting, and confection for any occasion in feminine clothing. This also includes the techniques in back stitching, basting, hand sewing, corner finishes, edge stitching, and other detail sewing. Upholstery is another course that Rebecca's Fashion School has created as an alternative for the man that has been disabled through work and wants to rehabilitate himself and incorporate himself into the socio-economic activities. The student will learn about basic techniques in upholstery and reupholstery. The first step is upholstery sewing, practical applications in elaboration of furniture, and the reupholstery of a used piece of furniture. In this course, the student will use different types of tools and applications, apply techniques of the upholstery of the different styles of furniture. There is a whole chapter dedicated solely to the different techniques in the industrial safety. Course, the goal is for the pre-selected students with the ability towards a defined profession to acquire the basic knowledge of design and graphic expression that will serve as basic tools for the student to encounter interior design in conjunction with space, volume, form, color, light, and the materials. conclusion, the student will have acquired the basic skills, found new solutions to create new, different, and interesting situations of design, to which the student may use to face any challenges. This program is focused in a very special way. Teaching techniques are in a very practical, clear, and common language so that each academic subject will be delivered by the instructor for relating to theory and to which to expand the different works of practical theory. Established by the same for each subject, and each of these practices will show how the student has progressed in the field of design and creativity. In search of new programs to rehabilitate people, Rebecca's Fashion School has created a program in the field of natural flower arrangements, of which this can enable the students to use practical theory and to prepare the student to undertake the demands of the flower shop industry. The student who becomes involved in the flower art program will learn processing and storing flowers and foliage materials, also that of flower arrangements, corsage, design, and specialty designs such as wedding, hospitals, funerals, holidays, including that of processing of floral material, cutting of stems, treatment after cutting, and also preparing dried materials, types suitable for drying, techniques, and processes involved. With this program, the student will learn specific activities to develop skills which lead to employment in the flower shop industry.